How to download the Finary application on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are looking to download the Finary app on your Android device, whether it is a smartphone or a tablet, firstly open up your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar and type in Finary and search. Look for the Finary Budget and Money Tracker app and then tap on the install button to begin downloading the application. Wait for the application to install. It'll take us several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space before downloading the app. Now wait for the application to install. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Now you can go ahead and create a new account and complete your sign up. That's how you successfully download Finary on Android. Sign in or create your account and start exploring. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.